Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is your girl, the velvetlox, coming back with another work from home job opportunity for you today. Now, you guys, this is a new posting, so for those of you who are interested, you got to jump on this right away because this is one of those work from home remote jobs that you can work anywhere, and I'm working for a company called the MAYO Clinic, and what they're looking for is a customer assistance service assistant, and this is remote, full-time, from anywhere. Now this job is paying between $19.85 to $26.82 an hour, full-time, bi-weekly 80 hours you've worked, and the hours are from 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. This is 100% remote. You can work from anywhere in the United States. So with those minor details, let's get into this video right now with what they're expecting from you. So the Mayo Clinic is the nation's best hospital and ranked in #1 in more specialties than other care provider. They have a vast array of opportunities ranging from nursing, clinical, to finance, IT, administrative, research, and support services. And that's just to name a few. So they have a lot of career opportunities. Now the position that they're describing is the service assistant, which is responsible for providing initial support for patient online service problems or other portal mobile related questions, and for delivering high quality customer service. Is expected to troubleshoot and document each customer patient inquiry and communicate the resolution to the customer. This person is to resolve issues including, but not limited to, username, password reset, account creation, validation, and browser issues by troubleshooting applications and equipment. You're responsible for escalating more complex issues and identifying, reporting potential system outage. May assist with application testing, training, and implementation of application. Must have excellent interpersonal communication skills, oral and written, to support the delivery of outstanding customer service in a team-based environment. Must have the ability to explain basic concepts or procedures in clear, concise, and easy to understand manner for a large, diverse population with different levels of support using technology. So basically, you're helping them to troubleshoot the customer's problems, whether it's logging into their accounts, maybe having some user password issues, and you're pretty much troubleshooting. You must also be able to effectively provide navigational instructions for both web-based and mobile applications. So you're going to help them either whether they're on their mobile devices or on their computers. You're responsible for outstanding and promoting the role of patient online services and other connected care services plays in the patient experience and promoting an ongoing relationship with Mayo Clinic. The requirements are an associate's degree or 2 years of experience with call center experience and or strong customer service focus. So either you have an associate's degree or you have at least 2 years call center experience or you've worked with customer service. Applicant must be skilled in the use of laptops, mobile applications, iOS, Android, and experience navigating with online services, portal, banking, etc. Requires computer skills such as the ability to navigate multiple computer programs at one time, window-based applications, and internet use, while taking information by phone and basic troubleshooting. Must be able to troubleshoot to decipher users' errors and system issues in a step-by-step, clear, and concise manner. This is a full-time position. They are paying well. This position is 100% remote. And they just tell you pretty much about the company, what your tasks will be, and they also offer wonderful benefits. So if you're interested in something like this, where you're working online remotely with patients, troubleshooting their issues, whether it be they can't get into their account via laptop or remotely by your phone, and you have wonderful communication skills, and you're able to complete tasks in a friendly manner and be under a little pressure at the same time, but still conduct themselves in a professional manner, well, this is your calling right here. I will post a link down below where you can apply directly on their site, and I wish you all good luck to those of you who are interested. They do offer wonderful benefit packages, and they also have other employment opportunities. Now this one is 100% remote. You're not obligated to be in an office. You can do this from anywhere in the United States. So I hope this is something that you're looking for. I will have other types of work from home jobs. Let me know what kind of jobs you're interested in, what your skills are, whether it be data entry, customer service, some sort of call center, virtual assistants. Let me know down below and I will sort out those jobs and post them directly for you, okay? So until the next video, you guys, I will see you then.